Hello, welcome. I am so happy you are here with us today. Please sit with me. Take a slow breath. Yes, just like that. This is a calm place, a safe place. You can relax here.
Yeah, hello, my friend. I am also very happy you are here. You do not need to hurry. You do not need to be perfect. We are just two people talking slowly from the heart.
Today we will share many simple English phrases. Phrases you can use every day, at home, at work, with friends. We will go very slowly and very gently.
Oh, yes, very slowly. Pause. And we will repeat so your mind can feel calm. You are doing well already just by listening.
Let us start with a very warm phrase. How are you? Smile. This is a very common phrase and very caring.
Yeah, how are you means I care about you. I want to know how you feel inside. You can say it slowly. How are you?
Now, my friend, a small help for you. The word common. Common means many people use it. For example, hello is common. Thank you is common. You can say this word is common.
Let us make a very simple sentence together. You can say, how are you? You can say, how are you doing? You can also say, how are you feeling? All are kind and friendly.
Oh, that feels nice already. Let us continue very softly. Another phrase is, I am fine.
Yeah, I'm fine. It means I feel okay. Not bad, not perfect, just okay.
The word fine. Fine means okay, good enough. For example, I am fine today.
You can also say, I'm good, or I'm okay. Pause. All are very normal.
Let us try a small sentence again. I am fine. I am good. I am okay. Say it slowly. Feel the words.
Very nice. Now another caring phrase. Thank you.
Oh, yes, thank you. This phrase shows respect and kindness. We use it very often.
The word respect. Respect means you value someone. You care about them.
For example, I respect you. Or thank you for your help. Smile.
Let us make a small sentence now. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks. All are okay. Choose what feels good.
Can you feel the warmth? English can feel warm, like a hug. Let us continue.
Another daily phrase is, you're welcome. We say this after thank you. It means it's okay. I'm happy to help.
The word welcome. Welcome means you are happy someone is here, or you are happy to help.
For example, you're welcome, or welcome to my home.
Now, a simple sentence practice. You're welcome. You are welcome. Both are the same, very gentle.
Let us slow down again. Take a breath. You are doing great.
Another phrase we love is excuse me. We use it when we need help or space, or when we want to be polite.
The word polite. Polite means kind and respectful. For example, she is polite.
You can say, excuse me, or excuse me, please. Pause.
Let us build a small sentence now. Excuse me. Excuse me, can you help me? Very soft, very human.
I like that one. Another useful phrase is, I'm sorry. This phrase shows care.
Yeah, I'm sorry. It means I feel bad. I care about your feelings, even small things.
The word feelings. Feelings are what you feel inside. Happy, sad, tired, calm.
You can say, I'm sorry. You can also say, I'm sorry about that. Pause.
Let us say it together. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Both are okay.
Let us continue gently. Another phrase is, no problem. This means it's okay.
The word problem. Problem means something is not easy, but no problem means it's fine.
You can say, no problem, or that's okay. Very friendly.
Let us make a small sentence again. No problem. It's okay. Smile.
You are learning so many phrases already, and you are doing it calmly. That's important.
Let us keep going, slowly, together. Another phrase is please, a very small word, but very kind.
The word kind. Kind means gentle, caring. For example, she is kind.
You can say, please help me, or please sit here. Pause.
Let us practice a sentence now. Please. Please help me. Very simple, very useful.
Take another slow breath. We will continue with the same calm feeling.
Welcome back into this calm space. We are still sitting together, gently. Let us continue our warm talk.
Yeah, I am right here with you. You are not alone. Let us keep going, slowly.
Another daily phrase is, can you help me? This is a very useful question. We use it often.
The word help. Help means to make things easier for someone. For example, can you help me?
You can also say, can you help me, please? Or, please help me.
Let us make a small sentence together. Can you help me? Please help me. Feel the kindness in the words.
Another phrase is, I don't understand. This is very honest, and honesty is good.
The word understand. Understand means you know the meaning, or it is clear to you.
You can say, I don't understand, or I don't understand this.
Let us try a sentence now. I don't understand. I don't understand. Please help. Very natural.
You are doing well. Another phrase is, that's okay. This phrase brings comfort.
The word comfort. Comfort means you feel calm and safe. For example, this music gives comfort.
You can say, that's okay, or it's okay.
Let us build a sentence together. It's okay. That's okay. No problem. Very friendly. Very human.
Another daily phrase is, I like it. This shows your feeling, a good feeling.
The word like. Like means you enjoy something. For example, I like this song.
You can say, I like it, or I really like it.
Let us practice. I like it. I really like this. Very simple.
Another phrase is, I don't like it. This is also honest, and honesty matters.
The word matter. Matter means it is important. For example, you matter.
You can say, I don't like it, or I don't like this.
Let us make a sentence now. I don't like it. I don't like this food. Very clear.
Another helpful phrase is, what is this? We use it when we want to know something. Very useful.
The word useful. Useful means it helps you. For example, this word is useful.
You can say, what is this? Or, what is that?
Let us practice again. What is this? What is that? Nice and easy.
You are learning so gently. Let us keep the calm feeling.
I am still right here with you, sitting quietly, feeling calm, feeling close. Let us continue, very softly, like two friends.
Yeah, I'm here too. You are doing something good for yourself. You chose calm, and that matters.
Let us begin again, gently. A very useful phrase is, I need help. This is a real sentence from real life.
The word need. Need means you must have something. For example, I need water.
You can say, I need help, or I need some help. Feel the honesty.
Let us make a simple sentence now. I need help. I need help, please. Very soft, very human.
Asking for help is not weak. It is kind to yourself. Let us continue. Another phrase is, can you repeat? This helps when words move too fast or when your mind feels tired.
The word repeat. Repeat means say it again. For example, can you repeat, please?
You can say, can you repeat? Or, please repeat that. Feel the honesty.
Let us practice together. Can you repeat? Please repeat that. Very polite, very useful.
Another phrase is, I understand. This sentence feels strong and calm. It shows clarity.
The word clarity. Clarity means things feel clear, not confusing.
You can say, I understand, or I understand now. Feel the clarity.
Let us make a sentence now. I understand. I understand now. Simple, but powerful.
Another gentle phrase is, I don't know. This is very honest, and honesty feels light.
The word honest. Honest means you say the truth. For example, I am honest.
You can say, I don't know, or I don't know yet. Feel the lightness.
Let us practice. I don't know. I don't know yet. That is okay.
Another daily phrase is, please wait. We hear this in many places, shops, offices, homes.
The word wait means stop for a short time. For example, please wait here.
You can say, please wait, or please wait a moment. Feel the gentleness.
Let us say it slowly. Please wait. Please wait a moment. Very calm.
Another phrase is, it's okay. This sentence brings comfort, like a soft hand on your shoulder.
The word comfort. Comfort means you feel safe. You feel calm inside.
You can say, it's okay, or that's okay. Feel the kindness.
Let us make a sentence now. It's okay. That's okay. No problem. Very friendly.
Another phrase is, take your time. This sentence is very kind. It removes pressure.
The word pressure. Pressure means feeling pushed, feeling hurry.
You can say, take your time, or no rush. Feel the kindness.
Let us practice. Take your time. No rush. Very gentle.
Another daily phrase is, I'm tired. This is very real. We all feel this sometimes.
The word tired. Tired means you need rest. For example, I am tired today.
You can say, I'm tired, or I feel tired. Feel the rest.
Let us make a sentence now. I'm tired. I feel tired today. Very honest.
Another phrase is, I feel better. This sentence feels hopeful, like light after rest.
The word better. Better means more good than before. For example, I feel better now.
You can say, I feel better, or I feel much better. Feel the hope.
Let us practice together. I feel better. I feel much better now. Warm words.
Another simple phrase is, let's go. We use this with friends. It feels active, but friendly.
The word let's. Let's means you and me together. For example, let's sit here.
You can say, let's go, or let's eat. Feel the friendliness.
Let us practice. Let's go. Let's do this. Very natural.
Another phrase is, see you later. This is a kind goodbye, not final, just gentle.
The word later. Later means after some time. For example, see you later.
You can say, see you later, or see you soon. Feel the warmth.
Let us say it. See you later. See you soon. Warm goodbyes.
Now, let us slow down. Think about the phrases you learned today. I need help. Please wait. I understand.
Yeah, also, take your time. It's okay. These words bring peace.
You listened with care. You stayed with us. That is something to feel proud of.
Let me ask you softly. Which sentence feels closest to your heart? Which one makes you feel calm?
You can share your thoughts with us. You can like this podcast. You can subscribe if this space feels safe to you.
Yeah, we love having you here. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your quiet trust.
Take care of yourself today. Speak kindly, even to yourself. Goodbye, my dear friend.